Hi, you guys. So I am creating a video for you guys, and in this video, you will learn about graphical elements of poetry. It is found in the Read and Analyze Poetry in Objective 3. So let me go ahead and pull up the book that I created for you. Sorry, I keep moving all over the place, but graphical elements of poetry. It consists of stanzas, line lengths, capital letters, punctuation, and word position. So the first one we're going to talk about are stanzas. Stanzas are like paragraphs in a poem. They are groups of lines put together. The purpose of a stanza is to separate and also enhance ideas and meanings, or to enhance the rhythm of a poem. So here is an example of stanzas. As you can see in this picture, stanzas are simply the paragraphs in the poem. So line length. The length of the lines in poetry is a technique that is used to achieve a certain sound, rhythm, structure, or poetic style. For example, the haiku poem, which is an example, is a poem that has a total of 3 lines, and each line has a certain length of syllables. So for the haiku poem, the first line has 5 syllables. For example, refreshing and cool. That's 5 syllables. The second line has a total of 7 syllables, and then the third line also has 5 syllables. So the next element of poetry are capital letters. Now, capital letters in poetry, not all rules necessarily apply of what we normally follow when it pertains to capital letters when we're writing sentences or essays and paragraphs. But just remember that the first word of each line in a poem is capitalized. All right, punctuation. So for punctuation, it is used to help organize and group thoughts and ideas, and it allows the reader to know when to pause. So punctuations are very important. It helps with reading fluently. And lastly, we have word position. So word position is when it's the way the poet places words on a page, and it helps shows the relationship and the ideas in poetry. It also shows the different structures in poems, such as a sonnet, which is a type of poem. Okay, so this is the end of our of the book for Read and Analyze Poetry, and I hope that it was very helpful for you. So thank you guys for joining me. See you in the next video.